should be enough for the floor base. See how we go. So this is 1200 by 2400, and yeah, after that I just gonna paint them. I have to put this special paint. I will show you later, and then start cutting them. Okay, see you later. Good day, guys. How you doing? Just wanted to show you what I have done until today. Pretty much I cut off all the subfloor. So it took me like 3-4 pieces of plywood. I decided to cut this one off because the other one was too short, so I just cut it. Yeah. So yeah, this is 12 mil, and I have to do all the cuttings here. The last one. Okay, guys. So this is the one. I'm gonna paint it with roller. Apparently, this is a heavy duty. It is recommended. This I bought it in Balance. It's called Beta Heavy Duty Bitumen Rubber. So I'm gonna do it. Yeah. The hole, I'm gonna paint it. So I have to take them out again, all the subfloor, paint it outside, and then put it back again. And make sure I do the holes in the right position. So when I screw them to the metal under, it goes to the same hole. Hopefully I'm gonna try that, so I don't have to. Yeah. So yeah, I'm just gonna go under, and with this little pen, just try to mark it. And let's see how we go. And I will show you later how I did it. Okay, guys, I'm just installing the subfloor. Just show you what I have. so I done this one board, two boards, gonna put is 4 of them. So I'm using, I will show you what I'm using. I'm using this type of screws, galvanized, I think. Unfortunately, the holes that I did before to use the current holes on the chassis, it was too wide, and yeah, pretty much I'm just using this. So I'm just drilling, for example. I'll just show you. I put here, I need to put one here, just in this corner for this table, for this board. Done there. That's the hole. Then what I do, I just swap. I just so the head of the screw this goes a little bit deeper, so it's easier when I put the floor. I just put the screw. That's it. So I'm just using the metal of the chassis. I put around 3, maybe 3 screws on each line. Yeah. So I got the other 2 painted already, and I will put them in there. This one. So I just cut it that way, here, so it was a shape. So yeah, the moment I'm just cutting and just putting the second one and see how we go. Okay, I just try to put this here so I don't miss the Good morning, guys. I just wanted to show you today. I think this is the end of this episode 3. Just the floor, pretty much, just what I did with the floor. So this is how it looked like. It's foam is bit of foams around, because I've been doing the taking out the whole foam. So I scrap it out. I've been scrapping out of the floor. So the priority for me now is the ceiling, just to cover some water leakings that I have if it rains. Hopefully it hasn't rained yet, so I want to cover before winter comes. So yeah, this is the whole floor. I don't know the joints. I have to check how I'm gonna seal those joints. Maybe just glue or anything. I just have to check. So yeah, all of them. If you could remember how it was before, I put some. Okay, thank you guys, and I see you in the next episode. Have a good day.